Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Microsoft Access. This is particularly useful when you're working with international databases or need to adjust your financial data to reflect different regional currency formats. Let's walk through this step by step. First things first, you'll need to start by opening your Microsoft Access app on your computer. Once the application launches, go ahead and load into your database. This might take a moment depending on the size of your database, so just give it a second to fully load all your data and tables. Once the software has loaded, along with your data, we can begin making the currency adjustments. Start by opening an initial database that contains the currency fields you want to modify. When your database is open, you'll see your tables listed. Click on the table header of the table you want to work with, and from the options that appear, select Design View. This is where all the structural magic happens in Access, allowing you to modify field types and properties. Now that you're in Design View, take a look at the fields listed in your table. You'll need to locate the specific field that has currency in it under the data type column. This is usually labeled as currency in the data type field. Once you've found it, click on that field to select it. Here's where the important part comes in. On the bottom portion of your screen, you'll notice the Field Properties panel. This section shows you all the detailed settings for the selected field. Look for the Format tab within these properties. You'll see a currency drop-down menu under the Format section. Click on this drop-down to reveal your options. When you click the drop-down, you'll see currency replacement options available to you. Now, it's important to note something here. The only currency symbols that will appear in this list are the general $ and the currency format associated with your current time zone settings in Windows. This means if you need to work with currencies outside your regional settings, you might need to adjust your system settings first or use a custom format. Select the currency format that best suits your needs from the available options. Once you've made your selection, the changes will apply to that field, and all your currency data will display in the format you've chosen. And that's it. You've successfully changed the currency format in Microsoft Access. This simple adjustment ensures your financial data displays correctly according to your regional or business requirements. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.